This short little video is dedicated to my friend Mr. Sealy P. For those who don't know Mr. Sealy P, he is a YouTuber whose primary content is playing Farming Simulator. I first found him when it was still Farming Simulator 19. I've been following him ever since through the rest of 19, all of 22, and now through what has already occurred for FS25. I have even gone back, because I like the guy so much, I've gone back and watched some of his older FS17 content, most of it in fact, and most of the FS19 that I had missed. Fairly recently though, in a video, he mentioned me because I had pointed out to him that he should be using the front of his tractor to steer his trailers in. I'm going to use the front of my tractor to steer my trailer in. I have done it with the pickup. It's hard. It usually takes me 3, 4, 5 tries to get it in with the pickup because it's a pretty narrow spot and there's lots of obstacles. Trees on one side, that would be you guys' right side, my left has trees, and then on the other side is the edge of the driveway, which is raised compared to the yard. Plus there's this nasty hill right along the edge, and it drops quite significantly down into the yard. So getting that in there, you guys can't see it's off camera, but there's also a fence on the other side of the alleyway here for my neighbor. Now the fence is set back from the alley quite a bit, but I can't use the space in between. I'll just show you. Let me just spin you guys around. I can unlock it, maybe. There we go. So trees, edge of the driveway, and across the alley. I don't know how well that comes across on camera, but that's a pretty significant slope. You can see a little bit maybe the tire marks where I've actually gone with my front left tire up into her yard a little bit, and I don't like doing that. So most of the time I use the little Massey. That is my Massey Ferguson 135. I do not know the year. Late 60s, early 70s, I was told. But the serial number plate is, yeah, let's just say no. So I'm gonna put the trailer away and call it a day because I worked hard today. I installed new tires on my other tractor, the Farmall Super H, hence the Farmall shirt today. All right, see you guys when I'm done. And simple as that, slow and steady, trailer's in, nothing hit, nothing damaged, one try. I love my little Massey. She costs a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but you know, when it's one of your dream tractors, and she treats me well. Let me grab you guys. High-low selector, 3-speed plus reverse transmission, 3-point with draft control for when I use the plow. And yes, I do have a plow for it. She doesn't like to go down on her own, no. But you can see it's pretty rusty back here. The guy who owned it before me used it for brush hogging in the woods, and she lived a hard life outside. But one day we'll get her all cleaned up and repainted, fix the oil leak around the PTO. For now, that's preventing more rust. You guys know how it is, right? And then on the other side, 4-cylinder Continental gas engine. I just put a brand new points and condenser set in because she was losing spark, and the symptoms were classic of a bad condenser. And the points looked terrible, so I just replaced them too. But this tag, I can't even read the serial number for the engine. I know that it's a V145. That's about it. Yep. She's been a good little tractor for me in the few months. It's only been a few months, I think. 3 months? Maybe not even that long since I bought it. But that's going to do it for me. I'd like to thank you all for watching. And as always, I will see you on the next one.